Today we are going to deal with the chapter on collinearity of 3 points. So now let us look at the sum. Show that the 3 points P minus 1.5 comma 3, Q 6 comma minus 2 and R minus 3 comma 4 are collinear. So first let us know what are collinear points. So whenever 3 or more than 3 points are going to lie on the same straight line, then they are known as collinear points. So now here they have given you only 3 points. So let us take those points P, Q and R and we are placing it on the line L because we have to show they are going to be collinear points. But when P, Q, R are going to be on the same straight line, you cannot draw a triangle with these 3 points. Therefore, the condition to find out whether these 3 points are going to be collinear will be clear if the area of the triangle using these points is calculated, works out to be 0, then these 3 points are going to be collinear. Therefore, the condition for 3 points to be collinear is area of the triangle is equal to 0. So now let us write down the formula to find the area of the triangle. So you know half with the vertices x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So as you know it is x1 plus x2 plus x3. So next will be y1 but you leave y1 and write it as y2. Next it is y3. After y3 you have y1. So minus, here you write y1, y2 and y3. So here after x1 you have x2, x3 and x1. So we have written down the formula for the area of the triangle as 1 by 2 x1 by 2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y1 minus x2 y1 plus x3 y2 plus x1 y3. So now let us take the point P minus 1.5 comma 3. So here you have x1, the first value minus 1.5 and y1 is the second value 3. Now Q 6 comma minus 2. Your x2 is the first value 6 and y2 is the second value minus 2. Now you take R minus 3 comma 4. So your x3 is minus 3 and your y3 is 4. So now let us substitute and find the area. So 1 by 2. What is your x1? Minus 1.5 into what is your y2? Minus 2 plus x2. What is your x2? 6 into what is your y3? 4 plus x3. What is your x3? Minus 3 and what is your y1? It is 3 minus what is your x2? 6. What is your y1? 3 plus what is your x3? Minus 3 and what is your y2? It is minus 2 plus what is your x1? Minus 1.5 into what is your y3? It is 4. So now we are going to calculate it. So 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 1.5 into 2 it is 3. So it is plus 3 plus 6 4s are 24 plus, now you see both are of opposite sign, minus 3 and this is plus 3. So minus into plus minus 3 3s are 9. So minus, both are positive sign, so 6 3s are 18 plus both are negative sign, so minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6 plus you have minus 1.5 and plus 4. So opposite sign, so plus into minus minus 4 into 1.5 it is 6. So now to compute, you have 2 positives and 1 negative. So add all both the positives. 3 plus 24 is 27 plus minus 9. And here you have 2 positives and 1 negative. So 18 plus 6 it is 24 plus minus 6. So A is equal to 1 by 2. 27 plus into minus is minus. So 27 minus 9 minus 24 plus into minus minus 6. So when you have two signs, one side outside the bracket, you have to multiply. Plus into minus minus. Plus into minus minus. So it is 1 by 2. 27 minus 9 is 18. And 24 minus 6 is also 18. Opposite sign you subtract and put the sign of the greater number. Opposite sign you subtract and put the sign of the greater number. So it is 18 and here minus in between. So 18 minus 18. So 1 by 2 into 0. So A is equal to 0. Therefore, area of triangle PQR we have found it is equal to 0. Therefore, the 3 points are collinear points. Thank you, children.